On Vanik will start discussing PSC questions, and first question is regarding State Human Rights Commission (SHRC). Right? Which of the following statements is correct regarding HSRC? The Commission has no power to punish the violators of human rights or to award any relief, including monetary relief to the victim. The Commission submits its annual special reports to the Governor of the state. Which of the following statements are correct? One only, two only, or both, or neither one nor two? So this is first one is which of the following statements is correct? Yes, the Commission has no power. First statement is right. Submits its annual or special reports. Okay, this HSRC State Human Rights Commission, it is established under Human Rights Act of 1993. Human Rights Act of 1993. The report is presented before the legislature. Okay, so the governor of the state legislature. So first statement is, so option one is right. Next, national level there is NHS, National Human Rights Commission. In case of state, there are chairperson, which is chairperson, and two members will be there. The composition is two members. It may be the chairperson may be retired chief justice or the other high court. In case of State Human Rights Commission, in case of National Human Rights Commission, it is in case of National Human Rights Commission, it is around it is the Chief Justice of India or any judge of Supreme Court. Okay. Job is there either inquiry of human rights, propagation of human rights, review of terrorism, acts like terrorism, human rights violation, on study treaties and international obligations. These are the responsibilities of State Human Rights Commission. Then what is Article 385 and 359 of the Constitution? Which are the following situation where we use Article 358 and where we use Article 389? Okay, that is proclamation of national emergency under Article 352. National emergency, we know that written recommendation of cabinet is required. Written recommendation of cabinet must written cabinet recommendation. It is required. Remember, for national emergency, right? Next, and financial emergency Article 360. 360, President Rule 356, or in case of President Rule 365. This is financial emergency rule. This is in case of violation when the state do not obey the direction of the direction of central government. That is Article 365 is being used. Next, Article 359, this says that fundamental right can be suspended during the time of war. 359, it says FR can be suspended. Can be suspended during war or external organization. It can be occurs, right? Next, then Article 358, it says that Supreme Court said that if any emergency has occurred in the country, the Supreme Court can pass orders to regulate the state or the country. Like SC power will remain intact. It can regulate That is Article 358 during the period of national emergency. So here answer is A. A is the answer, that is proclamation of national emergency under Article 352 that deals with the constitutional deal. Next, which of the following services are present regulated under Information Technology (ITR) and Digital Media Ethics Rules 2021? Digital media IT apps, just it's about IT. So social media sites, this can be information, this can be social media sites, OTT streaming services, online gaming services. It's not there. No, it's not gaming service. News sites, right? It's a very digital media. Right? What is media? The online games is not media. So 1 to 4 option is the right option. Then consider the following statements. Parts. Fourth schedule of the Constitution. Allocation of seats to Rajya Sabha. Schedules of the Constitution. Which of those things are correctly matched? Fourth schedule of the fourth schedule, which is regarding Rajya Sabha. So one statement is right. Sixth schedule, administration to control tribal areas. No, it is STMM areas. Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram. Meghalaya, Mizoram, ATM state. Administration of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram. So sixth schedule is wrong. Administration of scheduled area, this is fifth schedule. So 10th schedule disqualification, that is right. So 1 and 3 options will be right. Disqualification of MPs, that is linked to the 10th schedule, right? Our anti-defection law is also related to that is the 10th schedule. With reference to 7th schedule of the Constitution, consider the following statements. Right. 7th schedule of the Constitution, consider the following statements. Banking is in concurrent list. The banking, you know that banks laws when Indira nationalized, so it is related to union list only. Banking related to union list. So first statement is wrong. Adoption and succession, they are in concurrent list. They are adoption, succession, or marriage. They are in concurrent list. That means both central and state can make laws. Adulteration means mixing of other food. And that is it's coming in concurrent list, not in state list. The judgment brought about the shortcomings of the working of jury system and led its abolition. In which of the below case associated with the judgment? Champakum Dorairajan case, K. Nanavati case, Mohinijan case, or MC Mehta's case? It is K. Nanavati case. That is abolition of the jury systems, because jury system means more than 10-15 judges will give the one hearing. They will sit together, right? And they will give the judgment. So it is K. Nanavati case. Next. Remember, the Law Commission in its 14th report, 14th Law Commission recommendation recommended abolition of this jury system. Okay. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding anti-defection law. Okay. Anti-defection law. Nominee members may join any political party within 6 months of taking his or her seat in the House without inviting this disqualification. Any question regarding disqualification arising out of election, final deciding authority should be the Supreme Court. No, this is wrong. Supreme Court is not the final authority. It is the Speaker who is the final authority regarding defection according to the as per the 10th schedule of the Constitution. The Speaker is the supreme authority. So obviously, statement 2 is wrong. The presiding officer of the House is empowered to make rules to give effect to the provisions of 10th schedule. Obviously, he is empowered to make provisions, right? So 1 and 3 options, only 2 options will be right. 1 is right and 3 is right. That's why we have only 2. Then, consider the following statements. Domicile or residence is required for a candidate contesting an election in Rajya Sabha. Reservation of SC and OC only in Lok Sabha only. Yes, it is only in Lok Sabha. This is right. So the domicile residence is not required for Rajya Sabha. Jurisdiction of Central Vigilance Commission extend to the officer of rank, scale B and above the officer. This is also right. So 2 of them are right. Central Vigilance Commission or CVC. The jurisdiction lies against all data services, top government officials, right? So one and 2 options will be right. In which of the following Supreme Court held that harmony and balance between fundamental rights and directive principle state policy is a part of basic structure. It is Minerva Mills case, right? Indira Gandhi's case, it is regarding reservation, right? Minerva Mills case that says that there should be harmony between fundamental rights and the directive principle of state policy. It's came in 1980. Minerva Mills case 1980. It's before it there is the basic structure doctrine that is case one of the case 1973. Next. The President, USA citizen of birth as well as naturalized citizen is eligible for the office of the President. So, this is wrong. This is wrong. In system, only citizens by birth. This is wrong. Here in India, citizen by birth or naturalized citizen is eligible for the office of President. For USA, they do not have citizens by birth. So both the statements are incorrect here. D is the answer. Then in the context of Indian Constitution, which are the following provisions are to local self-government, right? Local self-government, it is Part X, IX, that is the 9th schedule, sorry, Part IX or Part 3, or part 4 or part 5? See, 3 is wrong because 3 is related to election of Lok Sabha and President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President, MLA, President, Rajya Sabha. See? So these are so this election will be called by Election Commission of India. What about rest of the persons? They will be held by. So this is related to local self-government. Local self-government means Panchayat Raj institutions. In case of Panchayat Raj institution, it is 145. With respect to the states and state government finance in the last 6 years, consider the following statements: increasing cesses and surcharges to reduce central tax devolution to states. Right. States own taxes. Increasing the cesses and central devolution tax states. The revenue deficit grants to states is released by central government based on recommendation of Finance Commission that comes under Article 280 Council of Finance Commission. This is right. State-owned tax revenue forms the largest share of revenue received in most services. With respect to banking restructuring in India, which the following statements are correct? With respect to banking structure in India, which of the following statements is correct? A scheduled bank is either a private bank or public listed in the second schedule of the RBI Act. Increasing next regional rural banks are set out on RBI Act 1976 with equal capital contribution of union and state. No, RRBs are established under the ordinance in 1976. So it is RRB regional rural banks. They are formed in 1976. Right. So this is right. A scheduled bank can be a private, public, or listed second schedule of the RBI 3.4. Okay. So this is wrong. It is not equal contributions from state and center. First, second statement is wrong. First is right. The third is right. Basel 3 norms and say international parameters are applicable for small finance bank and private system in India. One and three options are right. Also, the following statements with reference to digital payments India in digital India payments. Digital payments are regulated by RBI. Digital payments are carried out by only one onboard online mode internet. Right. Which are the following statements regarding digital statements regarding digital payments in India. Digital payments are carried out through online using mode internet. Yes. Only using internet. This is wrong. Last statement is obviously wrong. Why it is not only internet? Because generally in case of CBDC, Central Bank of Digital Currency, you do not require any collateral. There is new emerging sector that is digital marketing, like digital products. So they will be regulated by RBI, right? Next, so this is uh, one only is the answer. Next question. Consider Sundarban constitutes the highest density of tiger population. The tiger found in Pasupati seal. The tiger is found in the Pasupati seal of Indus Valley civilization. No. In Indus Valley civilization, okay. So highest, so, and next is the tiger is yes. Second question is the tiger is found in Pasupati seal, right? There is famous seal that is called as Pasupati seal. That is the symbol of status as well in the Indus Valley civilization. Whether sound is whether sound is properly managed or not, right? That is called as Pasupati seal. So first statement is right. Statement one is the right answer. With reference to external debt in the India, external debt consider the following statements. Just have an average idea and you don't require to remember the polythenes or plastics. Commercial borrowing is from largest component of the external borrowing and external debt of India. Following the NRI deposits, more 75% of external debt and in India is short time debt. External debt denomination of India and import has been increasing by last 2 years. Yes, commercial borrowing largest component of external debt. So it is not NRI. It is yes. It is completely different from that. So one and three options will be right. Forward and sheet is commercial borrowing large component of external debt in India. One and three are obviously right. Which the following correct and which of the following correct is respect to certificate of deposit? CD, certificate of deposit. So it is certificate of deposit negotiable model market instrument. Yes, issued against funds deposited at the banks. Three opportunity fraud. CDs can be issued by central commercial bank, regional rural banks. So it's not issued by local reserve banks, it's about central reserve bank. So a statement is about CD can be used for central commercial bank. Minimum debt should be accepted from the single subscriber should not be less than 5 lakh, which will may affect which is the above are correct. Is so Can we issue a so this is not cannot be issued a local area maps. You know. So yes, this is wrong. This is right. This is right. Next question. With respect to developing district, India is developing the district as export hub initiative. Consider the following statements. It's an initiative of Director General of Foreign Trade, that is DGCA. Okay, this is right. It includes export of registered geographical indication products. Yes, why it will not include? It will include. It will overseen by senior most members of parliament from the district. So there is no such possible provision. So obviously, three other one, two, three. That is include export from the district. Include registered geographical indication from the district. No, see, third factor is wrong. This cannot be overseen, right? MP cannot oversee all these activities. So three will be wrong and one and two option will be right. Next, who of the following were the contemporary of Vardhaman Mahadev? Vardhaman Mahadev is contemporary. Mahadev, right? It is Purana Kasava, Mokali Hosara, and Ajita Kesakambel. These are the people who have followed him. He died. Vardhaman Mahavira. So this is Vardhaman Mahavira belongs to Purana Kasava. This is right. Then Ajita, then Wakali Kosala. This is right. Ajita Kesakambel. This is also right. Then part two, this so one, two, three are right regarding Vardhaman Mahavira. Because already because so this yes Bardhaman Mahavir. Just a second. So these are the three people who are the contemporaries of Bhagavan Mahavir. Right. So Mahavir, all of you know, is the 23rd. Is the 23rd Tirthankar of the Jain religion. Right. He was the son of Siddhartha and Kosala. Siddhartha and Kosala or Trishala. Trishala was the father of Bhagavan Mahavira in the year 540 BC. Mahavira was born, right? And he got Kaivalya and left the life at 30 and got Kaivalya at 40. Died in Rajagriha. Died near Puhapuri or Rajagriha. Puhapuri. Bhagavan Mahavira. Then which are the following statements currently portray the characteristics features of early Vedic period? Early Vedic period. Characteristic features of early Vedic period. Temples, early Vedic period. No, there is no temples. Matriarchal cultures. So this one early Vedic period. Norm of monogamy, yes, it was there. Society was ethically stratified, economically stratified. Women have right to choose their partners. Swayamvar वगैरह start sila. So 3 4 5 are the answers. With reference to Harappan script, the Harappan script was written from right to left direction. Yes, that's why it is not deciphered. At present, there is no bilingual description to have a decipher. Yes, it is not deciphered till now. Most inscriptions of the Harappan script are extremely long. See, whenever you see the word like extremely, then they are wrong. And there are symbols. There is also symbols. So 1 and 3 options will be the right answer. Consider the following statements regarding Pallavas. Right, Pallavas or Pallava dynasty. First, the Kanchi Kalaswara temple of Kanchipuram was constructed during the reign of Pallavas. Okay, this is 2. Pallava King Narasimha Deva defeated the Chalukyas. Narasimha Deva Varman has defeated Chalukyas. Pallava King Mahendra Varman 1. Pallava King Mahendra Varman 1 with 5-cell cave temple, that is Palavaram. All the statements are right regarding the Pallavas. So 1, 2, 3, all the statements are right. They are considered Kanchi Kalaswara temple. Which is the following architectural features? First introduced by Mughals in India. Use of double domes buildings. Mughal architecture. So especially they are asking about Mughals, which are the parts that are introduced by the Mughals. First introduced by the Mughals. Charbagh style building, this is right. Grey stones of Pietra Dura. Use of Pietra Dura and use of midars around the mosque. Use of double domes buildings. Which of the following are first introduced by Mughals? So it is the 3 and 5. These are first introduced by the Mughals in India. 3 and 5 are the first that are introduced by Mughals in India. Then with reference to martial arts in India, consider the following statements. Kiripir indigenous form of sword fighting that popular in Rajasthan. Next, Koda martial art relies on answer skill of players. Kalaripayattu was banned in British rule in India. Which of the following statements are correct? Yes, Kalaripayattu was banned. That is right. This was banned in during the British rule. This is right. Thoda Metal and Archery skills of players. This is also right. Kirik, which is not in Rajasthan, it's in Nicobar, right? In the Nicobar island, they played it in Rajasthan. Okay. So Kalaripayattu it belongs to Kerala, right? Then the Thoda martial art. This belongs to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Thoda martial art. Which of the following items are introduced by the Portuguese in India? Portuguese was in Australia 1948. Vasco da Gama came to India 1948. So what are the elements they have introduced here? Introduced coffee, no, this is wrong. They introduced tea, no, this is wrong. Britishers. So they introduced tobacco, this is right. They should introduce tobacco and they introduced chili. So 2 and 5 are answer regarding the Portuguese invasion in case of India. Okay, these 2 and 5 are the answer regarding Portuguese in India. With reference to Swadeshi movement, consider the following statements. Swadeshi movement, which is the following statement are correct? It called to revival of indigenous artisan craft and industries. Yes, 2005 Lord Karja Swadeshi movement, right? Our Solar Bangla by Rabindranath Tagore. The National Council of Education was start part of the Swadeshi movement. It was established. So the statements are right regarding Swadeshi movement of 1905. Next, just a second. With reference to Swadeshi, with reference to reformers in modern India, and the organization they are associated with. Consider the following statements. Next, the first is Virisa Lingam Pantulu associated with Rajaha Mundri Social Reform Association. First statement is this is right. The Virisa Lingam Pantulu he has established Raja Mundri Social Reform Association in 1980, 1978. He has established it. Okay. Next. Then servants of Indian society. It was established in 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. It's not by Gopal Hari Dasmukh. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The moderate leader of Gandhiji. Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So second is wrong. Developed from the Odisha. So Developed Tagore. So two pairs matches here. Next. Two of the following established Bharat Sri Mandal. Bharat Sri Mandal in 1910. It is Sarada Devi Chaudhary और कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय और सावित्रीबाई फुले और इट इज animation. It is a women organization that is established by Sarada Devi Chodharani, Bharat Sri Mahamandal, 1910. Sarada Devi Chodharani has established this Bharat Sri Mahamandal. Its goal is to promote female education, women empowerment. These are the goals. Sarada Devi Chodharani. IVFM technology recently in the news related to which of the following? It is related to genetic modification, or it is related to cancer treatment, or it is related to quantum mechanics or decontamination of water. IVFM technology, it is related to decontamination of water. Right? Quantum technology is based on quantum theory. That is so for IVFM, this is related to decontamination of water. Next, just a second. What would be what? Then why does wildlife sanctuary? Put it why does the wildlife sanctuary? It shares borders with other protected in the area like Mudumalai Tiger Reserve in the northeast side. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. That's in Tamil Nadu already, right? Why does that is in Kerala, right? So first statement in the northeastern state. Second is Kabini River. Kabini River is a tributary Kaveri River that is uh, that is flowing through the sanctuary, right? So which of the following statements is correct? First statement is wrong. Kabini River. This is second statement is right. So two only is the right answers. That is about wildlife sanctuary. It's part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which of the following statements is correct? DNA methylation refers to addition of methyl group to DNA strands itself. Epigenetic clock technique is based on DNA methylation, which is used to estimate chronological age of the subject. DNA methylation, right? DNA methylation. So it's regarding what? The question is both the statements are correct. The correct statement. Both the statements are correct. Methylation refers to addition of methyl to a group of DNA itself. Epigenetic clock technique is based on DNA method, which is used to estimate around 4 So B is the answer. Which the following statements is correct? Photochemical smog is formed by the reaction of nitrogen oxides and photochemical smog. In the volatile organic compounds in the absence of sunlight. So sunlight is required. Sunlight is required. So first statement is wrong. Ground level ozone is primary constituent of the smog. Yes. Photochemical smog, that is Yes, it is nitrogen pollutants and for example organic compounds in presence of sunlight. Presence of sunlight is important. Presence of sunlight. Presence of sunlight. So that is required. So first statement is wrong. Second statement is right. Ground level ozone is primarily constituted of smog. What are the following statements regarding Nicoy alloy coating? Nicoy alloy coating. Electrolysis nickel plating is a process through which nickel alloy is coated in the bottom by the use of electrical current. Electrolysis. Inconel is a nickel chromium alloy that exhibits exceptional resistance to high temperature and corrosion. So, which of the following statements is correct? Inconel, this is right. Next is electrolysis deposition. That means for nickel alloy coating, yes. Plating process which nickel alloy coating is deposited on the substrate. For the use of electrical current. Now, which of the following statements are implemented on a substrate by use of electrical current? Right. It's not use of electrical current, so first statement is wrong. Only statement 2 is right, so 2 only is the right answer. This is without electric current. So statement 2 is right. Next question. Because agreement to Montreal Protocol aims to stop production of substances causing ozone depletion. Kigali agreement very important. Montreal Protocol. India is signatory to the Gothenburg Protocol. Which of the following statements Kigali agreement and Montreal Protocol aim to stop the production of substances causing? So this is not. It is phased out of Kigali agreement. It's came in 2016. This phased out reduction is the hydrochlorocarbon or HFC. HFC slow down reduction. It is not to stop. It's to reduce, right? Reduce the use of HFC or use of the alternative. So this is wrong. India is signatory to Gothenburg Protocol, which aims to reduce around. India is not signatory. So both the states one neither one not two is the correct answer. Just wait a second. What 1 minute? 1 minute. Okay. Next question. Assistive reproductive technology or ART technology. It includes only in vitro fertilization or IVF technology, right? Whenever you see this only, then chances is that this question is wrong. Here it is also wrong. It is not only in vitro fertilization, it is gestational surrogacy, gamete donation, sperm donation, egg donation, anything. These all are coming under assisted reproductive technology. This is the all techniques that seek to obtain pregnancy by handling a sperm or a egg. So that is assisted reproductive technology. Any person, whether married or not married, can claim ART. No, this is wrong. And whenever you see this any, then the chances is that that is also wrong. So criteria is that men between whereas when that is 21, men age should be 21 to 25 years of age, and female should be 23 to 35 years of age, and women only can donate once in her life, not more than 7 eggs, right? So neither one nor two is the answer for ART technologies. This is wrong. What are the following statements regarding Chagas disease? Chagas disease, bacterial infections. It's a bacterial infection causing skin-related diseases. Remember, whenever you are reading a disease, you must read the pathogen, right? Must read the pathogen. So here, whether it is bacteria or virus or something else, right? Why it was in news? Because World Health Organization it was celebrated the Chagas disease day on April 14. April 14 is Chagas disease day. So Chagas disease day. April 14. Okay. Right. It is caused not by a bacteria, it is caused by a protozoa. It is caused by a protozoa, right? It's called also called a silent disease or communicable parasitic disease. So our statement is wrong. It is primarily spread through bite of ractomine box known as kissing box. So this is right. Second statement is right. So two only is the answer. In the following countries, borders Caspian Sea. You can see, yes, this question is coming from where as Caspian Sea, Black Sea. These all are those regions are important because they have asked. They may ask many questions from Caspian Sea. Right. So which are the countries that are bordering Caspian Sea? It is Russia, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Iran, and Armenia. See, Caspian Sea, yes, Kazakhstan is there. Kazakhstan is not in the list. Turkmenistan, yes, Turkmenistan is it is included. Russia is included. It is just in the northwestern part of Russia. Azerbaijan is included, but here it is not present. Then Iran is also included in Caspian Sea. Right. Kyrgyzstan is not there. So it is 1 to 4 only is the answer. Regarding Caspian Sea, you should open the map and see it itself. So 1 to 4 is the answer. Which of the following statements are correct? Climate forcing pathway is set of policies, technologies. Climate forcing pathway is technology. Policies, behaviors, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating the impacts of climate change. This is right. Predictive climate modeling is based on artificial neural network and inspired by the structure function of human brain. Human brain. This is predictive climate modeling that is about human brain. Climate forcing pathway is set of policies, technology, and behaviors for reducing greenhouse gas. Both the statements are correct here. Then which of the following statements are correct? Hypnotic system is a type of technology. Hydroponic system is a type of technology used in urban farming that allow plants to grow without soil. Nutrient film technique is a type of hydroponic system. So both the statements are correct. Without soil, hydroponics means plants without soil. So both the statements are correct. Recently in the news, Lamu archipelago is located in which ocean? Lamu archipelago. It is in Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Pacific Ocean or Mediterranean Sea. It is Lamu. It is in Kenya, so it is in Indian Ocean, right? Order is the country belongs to Lamu region, that is in Kenya, eastern coast of Kenya. There is the issue regarding the Somalia near Somalia. It is a Somalia also. It is a region. In Kenya, no, the region. So this is Kenya. So this is the area. This is Lamu archipelago, right? In Indian Ocean. Just above it there is Somalia. It is attacked by the Somalia's terrorist group. So here is USA military base is there. So that is attacked by Somali terrorist group. That's why it was in news. Now Lamu archipelago. It's in Indian Ocean. Okay. Then with reference to Bharat Parv, consider the following statements. Bharat Parv. It's an initiative Ministry of Culture to celebrate India's unity and diversity. Bharat Parv. This objective is to make India a hub of civilization, culture, and spirituality. Okay. So consider the following statement. Ministry of Culture. Yes. It is an initiative of Ministry of Culture to celebrate India's unity and diversity. It is the objective to make India a hub of civilization, culture, and spirituality. Right. Yes, it is. It is first statement. It is started by the Minister of Culture, and this is the it is about the incredible festivals in India. Right. Incredible digital calendar festivals, right? So usually it's not about the unity and diversity. So last statement is wrong. Second statement for civilization, cultural spirituality it is right. So two only is the right answer. Which of the following statements describes the term Concus vermis gilmori, sometimes seen in the news? It is a new found fossil. It is a skeleton or it is a found plant species. This newly found is fossil, right? Next, with reference to Ram of Kutch, consider the following statements. It is South Marcellin in third desert, not in Australia. Is thought consists of Eastern Gujarat. No, it's in Western Gujarat. First statement is wrong. Lying in Gujarat of India and Sindh province in Pakistan. Yes. So two only is the answer, right? This is then of course diagram is like this. It is the western coast of Gujarat, not eastern coast. Then which of the following statements are correct? The magnetic particles can interfere with the magnetic patterns of parts by disrupting their magnetic navigation system. Magnetic nanoparticles can enter into the brain of human beings and generate free radicals. So, which of the following statements are right regarding the magnetic particle? Both the statements are right. They may disrupt the magnetic navigation system. They may also affect our human brain. And consider the following statements. World Wetlands Day WWD is celebrated every year on 2nd February. The 2023 World Wetlands Day is Wetlands Restoration theme. 2nd February, and India has the largest network of Ramsar sites in Asia. Yes, we have now 75 Ramsar sites. The largest network of Ramsar sites of India, of Asia. Then all the statements are correct. All the statements are correct here. With reference to Paris Club, consider the following statements. Paris Club. What is Paris Club? It is objective to find sustainable debt relief solutions on repay their loans. Those who are unable to repay their loans, that's why it is there, Paris Club. The importance has receded with the emergence of China as the world's largest bilateral lender. Now uh, the importance has reduced because why? Because China is lending to everybody. Which of the following statements are correct? Epicenter of earthquake is always the point beneath the earth's surface. When the seismic energy is released, what is epicenter? And the Mercalli scale measures magnitude of earthquake. No, it is the Richter scale that measures magnitude of earthquake. So, second statement is wrong, obviously. And epicenter means it is directly above the earth's surface. This is suppose here it is the earthquake. It is epicenter. So it is above the surface of the earth. So therefore the statements are incorrect. Consider the following statements regarding muons. Consider the following statements regarding muons. They are subatomic particles raining from space, and they are highly unstable. Last statement is right. Then they are highly unstable and exist just for just 2.2 microseconds. Right. That is also right. The particles of moles are they resemble protons. No, this is wrong. They resemble electrons. Particles of one resemble electrons. Moles are was in news, right? So they resemble electrons. So one, two options are right. Resembles are electrons, but it is very high. It is its weight is very high than the electrons. Next, diamond is made up of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice structure. Yes, diamond is made up of that crystal lattice structure. Chemical vapor deposition (CVD) is the process to use produce laboratory grown diamonds. Yes, laboratory grown diamonds are produced by chemical vapor deposition. So both the statements are correct here regarding diamond. Which of the following is correct regarding Operation Dost? Operation Dost is correct. Which of the following is Operation Dost? It is India's operation to provide humanitarian aid to Afghanistan, or it is named to given to provide food grains, fertilizers, petroleums into Sri Lanka. It is India's operation deliver an earthquake hit Turkey. Now Operation Dost. It is earthquake hit Turkey. This is supply of food grains to Turkey. Operation Dost. With refers to NASA isoscenery aperture radar. Question of following statement. In this case, low Earth orbit. Yes, this is right. In L1, Lagrange point. It is objective to map the moon. No, this is to objective to of the solar corona. Sorry, sir. These are it is Earth observation satellite. It's a Earth observation satellite. Aditya L1 will be that will observe the solar system. It is Earth observation satellite placed in low Earth orbit. It provides dual frequency imaging radar. One is providing S band radar and L band radar. It can take the clear picture of our surface even during cold during the rainy day, right? Cloudy rainy day, it can even take clear pictures of our surface. So one and three options are right. Next, glacial lake. Which of the following causative factors of glacial lake outburst flood? Right? Glacial lake outburst flood. What are the causes of glacial lake outburst flood? Changes in the volume of glacier, yes. There is a water level in the lake, earthquakes, anything may glacier lake outburst flood. So one, two, three, all the statements are correct. Consider the following statements regarding India's membership of agreements related to nuclear power and critical minerals. India is a member of the nuclear supplier groups. India is a part of US-led mineral security partnership to secure supply of critical minerals. India has faced international sanctions in the past for its nuclear weapons program. It is not a member of nuclear non-proliferation treaty. Yes, India is not a member of nuclear non-proliferation treaty. It's right. India has faced international sanctions. No, India has not faced international sanctions. This is wrong. Sorry. India has faced international sanctions in the past for its nuclear weapons program. Yes. For its nuclear weapons program in 1980, 1998, we have also faced sanctions. So this is correct, right? India is a part of US Mineral Security Partnership to supply critical minerals. No, India is not a part. India is a member of NSG. No, India is not a member of NSG. India is a member of MTCR. India is not a member of NSG. So one and two are options are incorrect. So one and two options are incorrect. Consider the following statements regarding volatiles. Volatiles are elements or compounds that change from solid or liquid state into vapor at relatively high temperatures solid liquid state to vapor at relatively high temperatures. No, at low temperatures they will become vapor, right? So first statement is wrong. At low temperature they will become vapor. These substances are generally highly permeable to non-volatile substances. Second statement is right. So B is the answer. Next is which of the following statements regarding monkeypox is not true? Monkeypox is a viral disease. Remember viral disease like smallpox. Yes, monkeypox virus primarily transmitted from humans through contact with infected animals or animal products. Yes, it's a zoonotic disease. Monkeypox can be transmitted from person to person through respiratory droplets, making it highly contagious. No, this is not highly contagious. This is wrong. Highly contagious, otherwise, if it is highly contagious, then everybody would have suffered from monkeypox. So, C is the answer. Vaccination is the best way to prevent monkeypox. Yes, it's right. So, C is the answer, right? Whoever gave the term ecology for the first time, it is Ernst Haeckel who has given the term ecology for the first time. Then consider the following: biodiversity is normally greater in the lower latitudes as compared to the higher latitudes. Along the mountain guardians, biodiversity is normally greater in the lower latitudes as compared to the higher latitudes. Yes, yes, low latitudes biodiversity is higher near the Amazon basins, near the equator. This is right. Along the mountain guardians, biodiversity normally greater in the lower latitudes. Yes, this is right. Because environment is conducive, so it is higher diversity will be more. So both those statements will be are right. Concerning the international union for conservation of nature and natural resources, IUCN and the Convention of International Trade and Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora Science, which of the following statements are correct? IUCN is the organ of the United Nations and Science. No, this is wrong. IUCN is not an organ of the United Nations. First statement is wrong. IUCN runs through thousands of field projects around the world for better management of natural environment. Science is legally binding on the states that have joined it, but convention does not take place, does not the does not take the place of national laws. Yes, does not take the place of national law. So two and three options are correct. That is science. Next is sixth mass extinction is often mentioned in the news. Sixth mass extinction is often mentioned in the news context of a discussion of widespread monoculture practices, fears of possible collision of meteorite, large-scale cultivation of genetically modified crops, which may cause the sixth mass extinction, or mankind's overexploitation, misuse of natural resources, fragmentation, loss of natural habitats, destruction of ecosystem, pollution, and global climate change. This may result to sixth mass extinction. That means all the human beings will die. Many species will die. Which of the following statements about equatorial regions are correct? It's a mega thermal region. It says Sclerophyll region is a region of high development, it's a region of aerial streamlets. Which the following statements about equatorial region are correct? It's a megathermal region, yes. It's a region of high development. Equatorial regions are there is high. In case of equatorial region, rainfall is very high, temperature is very high. So there is this environment is not conducive. So there will not be high development, right? Megathermal means very high. Mega means what is mega? Mega means very high, right? 10 to the power 3. Mega means very high heat region. High heat region that is called as mega thermal region. Okay. So 1 and 4 will be the answer. Which of the following statement is true regarding sugarcane? Sugarcane is originated. Where sugarcane is originated. It is originated in South and Southeast of Asia. Is right. It's an industrial crop in several regions. Yes, it is an industrial crop because that is produced because sugar is produced. That's why. But industries are dependent on this production. Identify the wrong statement. The western half of Australia is formed of unshaped rocks. Mount Kosciuszko is Australia's highest place. The most adaptable tree genus of Australia is eucalyptus. Australia is the oldest, lowest, flattest, driest continent of the world. Which the following statements are wrong? Half of Australia formed from unshaped rocks. This is right. Australia is Mount Kosciuszko highest place. Eucalyptus is there. Right. Australia is oldest, lowest, flattest, and driest continent of the world. All the statements are correct. So wrong statements are none of these. Then Wapangji, manganese mine is located in which of the countries? Wapangji, Wapangji, it's in China. Wapangji manganese mine is in China. Which of the following statements, which of the following states of India does not share boundary with Myanmar? Arunachal Pradesh. This complete sharing is border with Myanmar. Nagaland is sharing is border with Myanmar. Manipur is sharing. Assam is not sharing. Assam is over distance. You will see the must see the diagram, right? So D is the answer. Recently, Parvati Giri mega lift irrigation project has been used. Which district it is in? Both districts. Parvati Giri mega lift irrigation project in Odisha. This is Odisha Karnataka. Both districts. Also the following statements. Dharmendra Autonomous College has finally accredited university status to Odisha government. Temporarily Ganjam dancer recognition, yes, this time it has got dancer recognition. Mahindra is honored with the International Mother Language Award in Dhaka. So which of the following statements are correct regarding the all the statements are correct, right? Odisha Karnataka, all the statements are correct. Panchayat Raj Divas on 5th of March in Odisha honoring the mass leader Biju Patnaik. Biju Patnaik Panchayat Raj Divas is being observed in the celebrated in 5th of March. Gayatri Patna has got Sahitya Academy Award for he has got Dayanati, right? For Dayanati he has got Sahitya. She has got Sahitya Academy Award. Which of the following highest literary award of Odisha? It is Atiwadi Jagannath Das Award. Highest literary award of Odisha is Atiwadi Jagannath Das Award. Which of the following is the English Journal of Odisha? It is Katak Standard, Odisha Pattern, Utkala Hiteshi or English Journal of Odisha. Odisha Patriot and Cutoff Standard. These two are the English of the course. So 1 and 2 options are right. Odisha for AI portal and AI for youth program has been launched by the government in collaboration with which organization? That is Intel Technologies, Google, Microsoft, or ChatGPT. It is Google, right? AI portal and artificial intelligence for youth with Google. This has launched, right? Sorry, this is Intel Technologies of India. This is not Google. AI portal. This is Intel Technologies in India. A is indicated two sequence of events concerning postponement of non-cooperation event. Why non-cooperation movement is postponed? Police boarding in Chorichora is Chorichora incident that occurs where policemen are bored. Violence has created. The boarding of police station by angered crowd, postponed movement by Gandhiji, arresting the Gandhiji. Which the following statements are correct? Here all the statements are correct regarding the postponement of 1 to 3 because everything has happened. Postpone of non-cooperation movement or according to Khilafat movement also stopped. Okay, what are the answer in following course? So 1 to 3 4, yes, all of that, all right. It's a chronologically, yes. Chronologically, all the statements are correct. Then arrange the following events in a chronological order. The answer for the course given below: appointment of Simon Commission, Jallianwala Massacre, Mahatma Gandhi Dandi March, deaths of Firas Mehta. So, with the following statements, chronological order, right? Next, okay. Which we know? We know that Simon Commission came in 1927. It's very popular. Jallianwala Massacre it happened in 1990. One was 1932. So, and Hirosa Mehta death. See, so 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 in whose 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. This is first will be no sorry. First will be 2, yes. Then 1. Sorry, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3 is in A, so A is the answer. Hirosa Mehta died in 1915 actually. 1915 Hirosa Mehta died. So one option will be right. Jallianwala Massacre, you know that Saifuddin Kichlu, Baishakhi in Punjab. Then Muslim rule began in Odisha in 1858. Muslim rule in 1858. This is right. Then Suleiman Karani was the last Muslim ruler of Odisha. Suleiman Karani appointed Islam Khan Lodi as governor of Odisha and Kutlub Khan Lohani as the governor of Puri. The first, this statement is wrong. This is not the last Muslim. This is the first Muslim ruler of Odisha, Sulaiman Karani. So, appointed, yes, three statement is right. 1 and 3 are right. What are the following statements? Ranavita founded Soilod Dwara dynasty in 550 AD. They are believed to be related as Soilod tradition. Inhabiting rocky regions of Kalinga. So both the statements are correct here. Rana Vita and Dwala dynasty. Both the statements are correct. Situated in the Baleswar district of Odisha, the sanctuary is spread in Chotnagpur Practice Museum, Silpal Lesser Park, linked to Silpal Lesser Parks, Sukupada Natko Hill Ranges, Dikar Sanctuary in 1984, famous elephant reserve. So what is this? It is Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. Kuldila Wildlife Sanctuary. Kapila City in Dhekal. Right. A is the answer. According to the following statements regarding Odisha, it is the largest producer of manganese in India. Largest producer of manganese in India. Yes, this is right. Largest producer of sillimanite. Yes, Sundargarh district is the largest producer of dolomite. All the statements, all the three statements are correct regarding Odisha. What are the following statements regarding Odisha? It is the largest producer of manganese. Next, exostoma, right? Dhiti. A new species of cat speed has been declared by which state? The Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, or Uttarakhand? It is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. With the following, which country has unveiled the plan for free and open Indo-Pacific? Free and open Indo-Pacific, it is Japan. Free and open Indo-Pacific, it is Japan. Godavari Glacial Lake region is recently in news. It's in Uttarakhand, right? Godavari Glacial Lake region, it's in Uttarakhand. Commonwealth Games 2026, it is Australia. Commonwealth Games. 2024 Olympic it is in Los 2024 Olympic is Paris, then it is then 2028 it will Los Angeles of USA. Next, Sarna religious category. Where is Sarna religious category? Which is being demanded a tribal by the tribals who comes from which religion? See, when generally tribals do not have religion, tribals are separate, but sometimes the link with Hindu religion. Here it is Sarna religious category. There is no religion. As a result of global warming, there has been a better global communication. Global warming. There is better global communication, melting of glaciers, lowering of mangrove trees, report times, adverse impact on health. So, which of the following statements are correct? How communication is linked to global warming? There is no relation between it. So, 2, 3, 4, melting of glaciers, flowering of mangrove trees, and adverse impact on health. The main reason for the decrease in the biodiversity is habitat pollution, introduction of exotic species, overexploitation, natural habitat destruction. This is natural habitat destruction is the decrease of biodiversity. That's why we are declaring environmental sensitive zones. And we like Western Ghat, it should be undisturbed, it should not be destroyed. Habitat destruction is the biggest cause. If you see gharials in the natural habitat, where you have to visit, then obviously that is natural habitat gharials, then that is Champal River is the most natural habitat. ELMA Environment Law Management as proposed by T.S. Subramanian Panel Institute. Environment Law Management Act. It is NEMA, that is National Environment Management Authority. State. Yes, both are equal, like NHRC, SHRC. If the following statements are relation to sustainable development is not true. Sustainable development is not true. Sustainable development is defined as development that means the present without compromising the ability of the future generation. That is right. Future generation must be for future generation. They also get the resources. But possibly is not true. Sustainability has the main objectivity of purely focused on natural environment. No, it is not purely focused on natural environment. Main objective is this is wrong for us. Sustainable development of various countries interwoven, the only solution left with mankind to survive with a longer period on Earth. Yes, it is the only solution where we can survive. Sustainable development only consider protection of environment but also maintenance of economy. Yes, it is on two. One is sustainable and development, environment friendly development. So B option is wrong. Only natural environment, artificial environment should also be focused. We can create, you can plantation, you can make plantation. Yes, I would have potential energy. Any type of energy that is Joule. Right? Potential energy. So answer will be Joule. Cavity called acetabulum. Cavity called acetabulum is formed by, okay, it is ilium, ischium and pins. These three regions are called as cavity. Ilium, ischium and pins. First the following factors. Golden rice is vitamin A rich. Replacement of faulty gene by normal gene is called as gene therapy. A transgenic organism carry introduced foreign gene called genetic modified organism. Yes. Transgenic organism is called genetic modified organism. Replacement of faulty gene is called gene therapy. Golden rice is vitamin A rich. So all the statements are correct. Australian following statements. India is the largest producer of heavy water. India is world's largest reserves of thorium. Yes, India has largest reserves of thorium. India is also the largest reserve of heavy water. In Odisha, there is FCI. In Rural district, there is heavy water or deuterium, that is called deuterium production. It is used in nuclear power. Thorium is also used in nuclear. The Navaha Sparsam Dictum is the motto. Navaha Sparsam Dictum is the motto of Nava means Akas, right? So it is Indian Air Force, obviously. Which is the following theme in approach paper 11th Hyper Plan? 11th Hyper Plan, what is the approach paper? The theme of 11th Hyper Plan is already abolished in India. Still, what are the 11th Hyper Plan? It is inclusive growth. It is towards faster and more inclusive growth. Gini coefficient or Gini ratio is very important. Many times it is asked in many exams. Gini coefficient. It is about income inequality. It's about inequality. Gini coefficient about inequality. What's the following method? What's the following statement about pehchan scheme? Sorry. NSS of unemployment not used. NSS of not used. Usual status report, daily status report, weekly status report, usual monthly approach. No, they are not using monthly approach. So D is the answer. Pehchan scheme. Why there is a pehchan scheme? So skill designing, redaction, design development workshop to this. Yes, this is right. It is a very many artisans or mudra loans. They will get mudra loans. Sleep guru, then somebody will teach them. 8,000 awarding to so all the four options are right regarding pehchan scheme for development of artisans and small scale industry by them. Then Voyager 2 space probe. Who has been launched it? It is the NASA. NASA has launched. In English name, generally this answer is NASA. So finding any English name, usually it is NASA. What are the following statements regarding Port Health Organization (PHO)? Port Health Organization shipping has launched Port Health Organization to model Sagar Setu around fast and simple ecosystem to promote ease of doing business. Port Health Organization, ease of doing business. This is right. It works to conduct disease surveillance, health inspection, quarantine measures, safeguard citizens, everything. Code Health Organization. So combinedly they all are working together. So both the statements are correct. Meri Mati Mera Desh. Why is Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign is there? Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign. It is Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced it. Meri Mati Mera Desh. To roll out Independence Day order to market flavors of the country. Amit Kala Jatra reach out to Delhi. 70,500 crores villages and various commercial. Amrit Vatika National War Memorial close. Yes, 7,500 crores of soils and plants. So all the three are right here. The lectures end here and like this video and share and subscribe to Mari. Yes,